Hi everyone, today we're going to walk through how to install and register for MAUI Studio and MAUI Studio Pro. First, you will need to download the MAUI Studio Installer and then register your software as either MAUI Studio or MAUI Studio Pro. Both MAUI Studio and MAUI Studio Pro use the same installer. To download the installer, go to teledynelecroy.com/MAUI Studio and then click Download Software. On this page, click Download MAUI Studio Software to begin the download. After the download is completed, open the MAUI Installer.exe file. Click Next, read the license agreement, and check the box indicating you accept the terms of the license agreement. Then click Next. Now make sure the MAUI Studio box is checked. This installer is also used to install other Teledyne LeCroy software tools, but for now we will only install MAUI Studio. Click Install to begin the installation process. After the install process is completed, click the MAUI Studio desktop icon. When you first launch MAUI Studio, you will see an Activate MAUI Studio license window. This is where you will find the information needed to register for a license file. In this window, take note of your scope ID, serial number, and host ID. You will need to enter these three pieces of information on the registration webpage to acquire a license file. This window is also where you will need to load your license file for either MAUI Studio or MAUI Studio Pro. Note that you will need an internet connection to activate the license. An internet connection is not needed after activating the license. To acquire a license file, go back to the MAUI Studio landing page and click Register Software to get a license file for MAUI Studio or MAUI Studio Pro. Next, choose your desired license registration. Both MAUI Studio and MAUI Studio Pro will have similar registration web pages. After you have entered your MAUI Studio information, click the Submit button. You will receive a license file via email typically within 10 minutes, but occasionally it can take up to 24 hours. If 24 hours has passed, please contact our technical support phone line. Now let's activate MAUI Studio Pro with the license file. Click Load and Activate License File, and then locate the file path to your license file. Choose the license file, and then click Select License File. Now you will see a valid license file under License Status. Click Close, and MAUI Studio or MAUI Studio Pro will launch, and you can now begin using the software. This concludes our video on how to install MAUI Studio and MAUI Studio Pro. To learn more about MAUI Studio Pro, click the annotation to check out the other videos in our MAUI Studio Pro series.